Good morning. Welcome to video lectures organized by SSMRB College and ISR initiative. SSMRB College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, have come up with a unique initiative to engage the students at the time of these unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with the students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Dr. Ambika, working for the Department of Computer Applications, has posted a video on the subject data structures and the topic implementation of linear queues using linked list. Please watch the video till the end, like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Today you will be learning implementation of queues using linked list. What is a queue? A queue is a linear data structure. It follows FIFO strategy. What are the requirements? It requires two things. The first is the set of memory locations. The second would be two variables pointing to two different locations or the same location. Beginning with the program, two library files are included in the program. A structure by name node is created. It is capable of holding an integer data represented by data variable and the address of the next node represented by next. As the queue has two ends, both the ends are initialized to null. Three functions are prototypes for inserting the element, deleting the element and displaying elements are provided. Main function is defined. The three functionalities are displayed to the user. The user is prompted to enter his choice. The inserted value is stored in the choice variable. Choice is passed as a parameter to the switch statement. In the first case, insertion methodology is performed. In the second case, the element is deleted. In the third case, the values of the linked list are displayed. If the value is greater than 0, the default message is displayed. The accepted value is passed as an argument to the insert function. A new struct value by name new node is initialized. Its size is set using the malloc function. The structure has two divisions, integer division to hold an integer value and pointer division to hold the address inserted. Let us assume that a 10 is the value inserted by the user for the first instance. The value 10 is stored in the new node data section. New node next section is initialized to null. If statement is evaluated. If statement front is equal to 0 turns to be true as the queue does not have any element. The pointer of the front and the rear is pointed to the new node. In the example, new node is stored in 1024 memory location, that is both front and rear points to 1024 memory location. At the second instance, the user enters 20. The new node generated using the malloc function is positioned at 2024 location. When if statement is evaluated, else turns to become true. Rear next, that is next division of rear node stores 2024 address and rear is going to point to 2024 address. When the user makes a call to the delete function, if statement is evaluated. As front is not equal to null, else becomes true in this case. A new struct named temp will point to front. That is, temp will hold 1024 memory location. Front will take the memory address from front next section and point to it. In this example, front will point to 2024 memory location. You will be freeing 1024 memory location using free function. when the user makes a call to the display function, if statement is evaluated. As if turns to be false, else statement is executed. Temp variable of type node is created and pointed to the front, that is, temp will point to 1024 memory location. While statement is executed at the first instance, 10 is displayed. Temp is reinitialized to the memory location stored in temp next division. In this example, it is 2024 memory location. Next, a 20 is displayed. As while loop is executed till temp next is not equal to null, the execution is stopped. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.